Hi. I just wanted to share something with you. Um, Showing this notebook screen. If you haven't used the notebooks yet, if you check your inbox, you'll get an email that looks like this. And when you click the link, it'll take you to Google Notebook, and it'll take you directly to the screen. But on your Google Notebook start page, it'll add the workbook to your particular space. What I wanted to share is something pretty cool that I just got, well, I heard it, but it just became available in Japan. So when you're at this page here, the pane looks a little different because they changed the interface. But if you load the audio overview, so it's going to just take a second to load, right? And then click this button here. You can just listen to it, and you can actually download it if you want to download it. It's also on that Spotify account, but you can download it and listen to it offline if you want. But just press this and it'll play for you. But this is what's cool. This is very cool. Watch this. Or I think it's cool, but I'm a nerd. So if you go press play.
All right, so let's dive into this deep dive on collaborative design and moderation in IB assessment. You've sent over some really interesting materials. Actually, it looks like some lecture slides and some articles and things like that.
Yeah, it's a mix.
It seems like you're really interested in how these concepts can help standardize grading practices and make sure students are ready for external moderation.
Yeah, particularly in the MYP and DP.
Press the
wait.
join button.
Someone wants to join. Hey, go for it.
Hey, can you explain the difference between standardization and moderation for me?
That's a great question, and it's actually a really important distinction.
Yeah, let's unpack this.
So, standardization is all about making sure that everyone who's assessing student work is using the same criteria.
Okay, so like getting everyone on the same page.
Exactly. It's the initial process of aligning assessments among teachers.
And moderation's the next step, right?
Yeah, moderation is about checking those assessments against an external standard to ensure fairness.
So standardization is internal.
Hey, yeah, what's up?
Hey, a school that didn't have standardized criteria used across grade levels, how would they standardize?
That's a really insightful question. It gets to the heart of the issue.
Yeah, let's unpack this.
So, if a school doesn't have those consistent criteria across grade levels, they'd need to start by building a common understanding.
It's kind of interesting because you can stop the conversation and ask for them to clarify or redirect or whatever you want. And it's only looking, is it only, I think it's mostly, the instructions are for it to consider the sources that are inside it first, right? And then this system isn't completely a closed system. So they are actually they're talking about the issue with the sum total of human knowledge behind them. So they can kind of elaborate from other examples. But the instructions that this conversation was given was to stick with the lecture notes and use the resources for examples. So it's not going completely outside and digging up all sorts of new stuff. It's mostly sticking with this. I just thought I'd share that. It's kind of interesting. Uh, have fun with it.